Precious metal investments like gold, silver, and platinum have many advantages over stock investments. In this video, we'll go over some of the reasons why investing in precious metals is a great idea. Full disclosure: this information may not all be accurate, as market and policy changes may happen from the time this video has been published. 1. They are easily accessible. Precious metals are readily available across the markets to bullion brokers and dealers. You don't have to worry about whether you'll be able to get the gold or not, as they are abundantly supplied to the organizations that are dealing with them. 2. They are relatively safe to invest in. Over the years, the value of precious metals has remained relatively stable, even as the economy is down and inflation is at an all-time high. The value of gold remains relatively safe and sometimes even increases due to a decrease in its availability, as we have seen in the recent years of the pandemic and higher than average inflation. 3. They are more immune to inflation. Precious metals show excellent resistance to inflation when an economic recession hits. Everybody is keen to purchase metals during these times to protect their savings from losing their value. And unlike paper money, you cannot print gold, silver, or platinum. 4. They are used in many industries. Gold and silver have wide applications, as they are used in jewelry, electronics, batteries, phones, silverware, and even cars. These metals are quite valuable in large-scale industries, and their demand will continue to grow over time. These are just some of the reasons why you should invest in precious metals, and having a gold IRA is a great way to protect your savings. If you'd like to learn more, you can get a free gold IRA kit by visiting the website shown in this video or in the description. This kit contains valuable information for starting a new account, doing a rollover, adding assets to it, and picking a custodian. Instructions on how to buy gold and other precious metals, how to store them, and how to withdraw money from the account may also be included in the kit. If you like the information shared with you, give thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel too. Stay connected, as we will develop more informative content soon.